Hello, yo, Crypto Yalla is here. How you doing, guys? Everything is okay? How is the weekend going? Are you touching grass or are you keep bidding? So today I just wanted to take a quick look on the markets and we'll see what we can get from the next week. So today is Sunday. And next week we have some major events, macro events. So I will talk about them in the end of the video. And now let's see what we have on our chart. So today we'll take a look quickly on the Bitcoin as from Bitcoin. All other coins are dependent, so I think it will be enough to just take a look on the Bitcoin in this short video. So, okay, let's start. So I made some cleaning of my chart, and as you can see, you are not seeing anything except the candles. It's weekly candles. So now we are at the major resistance. As I said clearly in my last video, please go take a look. I think it was on the 1st of May. Yeah, a few days I skipped making daily updates, but I will try to be more consistent with you and will try to deliver videos on the daily basis. So last video I talked about this resistance where we came from this bottom. So I said that we had 4 weeks of upside only, up only basically, and it was a run of around 31%. And we came to a major resistance. Basically, it's a weekly resistance where we had these consolidations, and from where we broke down. So actually, this is the cluster of resistance from 95.3k to 98.7k. So yeah, as we can see, this week may close bearish. It could be a bearish candle close. So we will see. We still have some how many 10 hours till the close of this week. 7 hours. So yeah. But actually, it's normal if we will not break this resistance from the first attempt. So we could get some consolidation, some major correction in the next few weeks. It would be okay-ish. So it's nothing emergency here, no emergency here. And let's dive into the daily. And on the daily, it's also an interesting situation. So we had this consolidation. We broke up on Thursday, got bearish close, daily close on Friday, and all the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we were bleeding, just slowly bleed to the downside, to the down. So the problem here, so yeah, we are sitting above this consolidation. Let me choose the brush. We are sitting above these consolidations of how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days of consolidation, and we are sitting above here. So that's why we have here. Let's zoom in. That's why we have here support. Basically, we are sitting on this support, and it would be nice to have a bounce quickly rather than sitting here for a long time. If we sit here more than I don't know, like 2, 3, 4 hours. So basically, that will show us that there is no buyers here, and more downside is needed. And here, the problem here, as I said, we are sitting at the support. It's basically a good risk reward. It's a good risk reward option to go long here and basically have a stop below this hourly candle around 95k 200. But the problem here is that below us there is a big weak liquidity pocket. So basically liquidity pocket, it's maybe I should rename this, not liquidity, maybe liquidations pocket. Liquidations pocket, yeah, would be better. Why it's not working? Okay, it works. Liquidation pocket. So basically, what is this? It's many liquidations are concentrated here of leveraged, high leveraged traders, and we are sitting right a little bit above this liquidation pocket. So if we push a little bit lower, it could trigger a cascade of liquidations, and we could see a flash of this, basically a clean of all these guys that are sitting and praying that we are bounce. So they're sitting basically and praying that we will not go lower because they will be liquidated. And my gut feeling this is a good pocket in my opinion, a good point in my opinion to go long and to go short as well. So if your bias is bullish, you can go long, just very short, quick stop, basically nothing, you'll lose nothing, like zero, but less than half a percent. So you can go long and just pray with these guys, or you could go short. Basically, it's a good risk reward options for both sides. You could go short because, as you can see, we broke down of this consolidation that we got on Friday and Saturday. Basically, Saturday started to bleed, but anyway, we got this retest of this consolidation and we came down again. So that tells me that you can go short from here, and if we broke above this level, above 95,700, it's a sign to close that short, or you can catch the liquidations of these guys, and with the risk reward ratio of almost 3, that's more than a good risk reward ratio. So this is basically I took the short position with exactly this setup. So I'm pretty confident, and if we bounce from here and if I shorted the bottom, what I lose as well, less than 0.5% or 0.5%, it's nothing. So yeah, for me it's more than acceptable. Okay, and that is my view on the next week. I think either we get these cleans of these guys, and if we are bullish, we will go back very quickly and bounce from here hard, from this area, or we will clean these guys bounce a little bit, find here some resistance, and go test 93k, 93k, and we'll see what how the next week will start. And regarding major macro events next week, so I have opened the next week, and major events we will expect tomorrow on Monday, ISM Services PMI. That's one of the major statistics numbers. Also, we have on Wednesday our lovely Jerome Powell, and with his Fed interest rate decision. Majority, I think, from my memory, it's around 90% that there will be no change. We will see. Yeah, as you see here, forecast is the same number as we had previously. So we will see. For me, it's more interesting his comments later after the decision. The comments will come 30 minutes later. And also one of the major events will be on wait a minute, on Thursday, I guess. Yeah, on Thursday we have initial jobless claims. It will show us labor market strength, and jobless claims for week average. So this is also the event to watch. Okay, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and give it a like if you like this quick update. Or just drop a comment and ask me anything, or any comment what you want to make TA. I will take a look at it in my next video. Take care. Cheers.